The Parry Sound Public Library proudly presents Rock Garden Party, Tuesday, July 3rd at 2:30 p.m. I know of a beautiful garden that is filled with lots of animals and plants, and you, the garden groms. In this garden, there's a talking rock. Beware, and a strange uninvited guest.
Party on, bros!
Named Skater, who is a very good songwriter and skater in the city.
Yeah!
But in the garden,
Whoa!
he found an egg and he sang the egg a song.
Opened up, and butterflies drown.
Out popped a beautiful singing butterfly named Earth Angel, who was also beautiful on the inside because she was filled with empathy.
As much as the garden grows, no one needs the garden.
The three worked together with the Groms to keep the garden green, and they learned to speak the language of nature, which is the songs made by nature's sound.
Everybody stick out your tongues, come on, catch some rain. Stick out your tongues,
And to celebrate, they took all the empty plastic water bottles left by city people, put seeds in them, and made shakers out of them, and had a rock concert in the garden. A rock garden party! So come on and join us, and let your voice sing, your shaker sound, hands jive, and feet dance. Express yourself, let your voice be heard. Take an empty plastic water bottle, repurpose it by placing seeds in it, and bring it to our show. Let the rest of the world know how much you love nature and want to keep our garden green. The Parry Sound Public Library proudly presents Rock Garden Party, Tuesday, July 3rd at 2:30 p.m.